In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Striven lead forms to your website step by step. Welcome back to Striven's Masterclass series, running a lead to invoice process in Striven Hearth Edition. I'm your concierge, Dave Rettinger. If you're struggling with double entry or continuously receiving less than helpful information from your web leads, thus lacking the necessary detail to hit the ground running, then you're going to want to implement Striven lead forms to your website right away. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to implement this time-saving tool and start receiving quality information on your web leads directly in your system without any double entry. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do when implementing Striven lead forms on your website is to navigate to your database of Striven lead forms, which, like most navigation procedures in Striven, is as easy as hitting the main search bar. So what should we type? You guessed it, lead forms. Go ahead and click on the first search result, which will open a new tab and bring you to your database of Striven lead forms. Now, the first thing you'll see when you hit the lead forms database is that we've already included a ton of customized web forms specific to the hearth industry. So if you like what you see, there's not much work to do here apart from customizing your thank you content. But if you want to customize the fields to best suit your needs, follow along here in this step. To start customizing, click on the web form to expand the content. Here you can change the name of the form, designate members of the team who should be notified when this form is filled out, upload your CSS file to conform the design to match your website, and manage the form sections. This is also where the fields are located. To manage fields, click on the hyperlink under the form sections and an overlay pop-up will appear where we can add title text to the form on our website and manage the fields. To add new fields, just type in the search bar here for the field you're looking for. To rename the field, enter the text you want to display on your website here. If you want a field to be required, just check the required box. And last, to delete a field, click the trash can icon. When you're finished, save your changes by clicking Submit. If you don't want to save changes, just click Close. The last thing you'll want to do is customize your thank you content. Our recommendation is to have another call to action that keeps your lead engaged. At Rettinger Fireplace, we give the lead the option to either build their estimate, which takes them to our Wi-Fi page, or to schedule a sales consultation, which takes them to our Striven calendar link to self-book a time to meet with a sales rep. Either way, keep it basic and do your best to retain the lead's attention. Once you've completed the prior two steps, you're ready to publish the lead forms to your website. To access the embed code, click on this button here. When the overlay pop-up appears, click on the copy button and you'll receive a notification letting you know that the code has been copied successfully. Next, open up your email and send the link off to your web developer, asking them to drop this into a properly sized iframe on your website. They'll know what you mean. If you plan to add multiple lead forms to your website based on project type, it's a good idea to put these codes into an organized document so your web developer knows where to put each form. A couple pro tips for you. If you haven't already, structuring your website in a way that guides prospective buyers into the proper project type helps make sure they land in the correct place. At Rettinger Fireplace, we've even implemented a pop-up that helps users land on our forms in a more efficient manner so we can start getting leads into the right bucket and directly into Striven. You'll be amazed at how many leads you get by implementing this simple practice. And that's it. In just 3 easy steps, you can implement Striven lead forms to your website and start capturing even more leads with better information and no double entry right away. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to drop us a note in the comment section below. If you're not currently using Striven Hearth Edition and want to learn more, there's a link in the description below to book a demo with our team. If you'd like to learn more about our Lead to Invoice Masterclass, please visit and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.